Hey guys, welcome to the Field of Trucks for Startup Series 53, and I have an announcement to make. If you follow me on Instagram, you would have already seen this, but I got the shelf back, so all the trucks are out here, and I get to put some trucks in that haven't been in a while. This is just a normal Startup Series. I just want to do Field of Trucks down here instead of up at my review station because it's too crowded. That'll just be used for unboxings in the future. So without further ado, let's get into the Field of Trucks. Man of Steel, Blue Thrasher, Gravedigger 25th, Hot Wheels 2012, Sting, Nitro, Sriracha, The Broker, Scarlet Bandit, Clydesdale, Rap Attack, Avenger. Hold on just a second, guys. I miscounted. Alright, I got a truck. Blue Thunder, Zombie, Big Kahuna, Iron Outlaw, Shocker, Monster Mutt, Inferno, Raising Cane, Grinder, Maniac, Maximum Destruction, Red, Blue NEA, Vet King, Four Wheel Hive, Wolverine, Thrasher Green, Spider-Man 01, Psychedelic, Black El Toro Loco, and Virginia Giant. Those are the trucks you can choose. I'll see you guys in the series. Bye.